Iha terça semana liu-se conferência imprensa Iha município Baucau, UNIJMA CPD-RDTL Rejeita Kontra Planu Baze Militar Estados Unidos da América Iha Aeportu Baucau. Tuir comunicado imprensa, UNIJMA CPD-RDTL considera Forças Armadas América tamasai livre tuir em agosto liu conaba General Forças América nian nebe lidera Husia Steven Nordau so de entrega hangar avião nian.
Direct to Mr. President of RDTL, Dr. José Manuel Ramos Horta. The second, Mr. Prime Minister of RDTL, Kairala Sanano Guzmão. Third, Veteran of the War. Fourth, public on either national and international. Subject, rejection against camouflage plan of the Armed Force from USA to utilize Baucau Airport for their future military base and their free movement, enter and exit in the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste. Based in the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste Constitution, Article 1, Number 1, Article 2, Number 1, and Article 48 and Article 49, Number 1. The combatants and veterans of the war, the Maubere people and Maubere youth gathered in the big front take a new firm and just position in rejecting the camouflage plan of the armed force from USA to utilize Baucau Airport for their future military base and their free movement in the RDTL according to the desire like the following. 1. Beside the anti-terror maneuvers, the American force commanded by General of the American Imperialism, Stephen S. Nordau, with the aeroplane landed in the Baucau Airport to the ceremony relating to the hangar done by them, counting with the inspection to the runway of the airport by Stephen X. Nordau at the 4th of April 2025. This is a new maneuver of armed force of the American imperialism to continue camouflaging to the dirty plan to collocate their future military base at the Baucau Airport. So we reject once more to the presence of the armed force from USA in the Baucau Airport. Both reconstruction of the airport and any payment military activity in this strategic place of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste. The second, vis-a-vis to the military cooperation. Since 2002, so far, the American force never tried in speaking the bilateral military cooperation to increase and fortify the military capacity of the volunteer FDTL. However, looking at the reality, this stands force in the practice, they didn't like growth of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste's army. Because during more than 2 decades, the those standard force were in the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste. The volunteer FDTL didn't have any bazooka, mortar, cannon, assault car, or war tank, as well as the American force constructed one hangar in Baucau Airport for the aeroplane. While the state of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste and its army not have any adequate military aeroplane, neither any military helicopter. 3. The armed force of the American imperialism have a right to have free movement in or out with their things or material in the RDTL's region according to their will, without license and without pay fees. This attitude has violated the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste's independence and the national sovereignty. Therefore, we are continuing to resist hardly against the attitude by violating the RDTL's independence and national sovereignty. Because Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste is not province of the USA. 4. The actual president of America, Mr. Donald Trump, actually imposed the fees to the nation in the world. But look at the reality in Timor-Leste is contrary, because the standard armed force of USA with their vehicles that are used in Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste, their aircraft were shipped with equipment and enter and exit in Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste.
Enquanto dadão presidente dos Estados Unidos da América, Donald Trump, impõe uma taxa da nação siracelo que ha mundo, mas bem hareba realidade de Timor-Leste, ha tudo fale prática o enselo, tamba militar americano, ho sira nia viaturas nebe usa e RDTL nian, tassi no lalehan, para tuir sira nia ha caragdeit, sem selo taxa ba Estado. Nune, CPD-RDTL considera halo presidente americano Donald Trump niang ne injustiça bot ha soru nação RDTL.